Hey, it's Joseph here. It's looking a bit dark here because I've turned off a couple of lights to kind of demonstrate what I'm about to unbox. I kind of have hodgepodge of lights that are in my studio. Actually, I have a ceiling light here, which is a regular room light, which is kind of yellow. And then I've got one ring light on top of the desk that is showing the light. Actually, let me kind of show you. So over here, there's a camera, and then on top I've got this ring light, which is kind of small and not all that bright. And then I've got this ceiling light, and then I got the background light. I got a few more lights here that I use regularly, but today I kind of haven't really turned them on because I wanted to showcase ultimately better lights supposedly. So let's unbox and test it out and tell you all about it. And it's a quite heavy and big box, so let me adjust the angle. So here is GVM. They have sent me this product for me to unbox and showcase to you. They have sent me several other products before too, and they all seem to deliver quality and also function with them. And in this case, it will be a light. Hopefully they are quality item too. So let's see it. Inside of the box, there is a carrying bag of some kind. So here's regular tripod included in the box. And another one. So 3 tripods are coming inside of the box, and they are foldable so you can carry it easily inside of the included bag. Let me just show you how tall it becomes. So I am about 5'7", and I guess it goes about 6 feet high. And then there's another pouch. And by the way, I was looking into different light system than that I have because I was shooting a video with high frame rate, and I noticed the flickering of the light from the ceiling, as well as some of the lights that I had were not really flicker free lights. So I needed some quality lights that's not going to flicker on me, so I can do sort of the slow-mo product shots that I have in this studio. I've got so many boxes that I need to go through, so let's just get through this box as well. But hopefully this light is able to give me quality light that I can depend on even on high frame rates. And obviously I'll do some example shots later in the video so you guys could see what I can achieve with these lights. So here is a one light panel. So here are the dials in the back. Hue, saturation, BRG, I guess that is brightness, and some buttons for up and down different modes. And it is battery capable with a port for DC, so if you want to connect to the wall you can do that. And the switch goes 2 ways, either the adapter or the battery. Here's a nice pouch that's included, and then here is a paper box. Inside here are all the chargers that you need for these lights, and there are 3 lights in total, so that's why I got 3 different chargers. And then there is a sticker for downloading the app, so you can actually connect to your phone and control these lights, because often they are kind of far from your reach and you can't really reach them all the time, so it's good to have that remote controllability. I didn't show you the front, did I? So here there are flaps, so you can control the direction of the light, and I can see all the LEDs on the panel. I think it's going to be very bright once I turn them on. There are quite a few of them, and I think they are RGB, so meaning I can control the color of the light too. And by the way, it's got this mount for the spigot, so you can just mount it onto your tripod. And here is one more bag and also some paperwork, the manual. Okay, so there are a total of 3 panels delivered to me, and they seem to be all identical. And then connect to the DC ports, turn the switch on. Let's blast you with the light. You wouldn't really do this kind of angle because it looks scary, but this is sort of the light that you can expect to see. You can have this sort of look. Let's turn off all other lights and see what this does. Top down look, it's warm and nice, and I can actually change the RGB value. I also want to mention that these kind of talk to each other. Right now, this one is set up as a master. Other two are kind of set up as a slave. So whatever the changes that I make over here, so let's say I increase the brightness, notice how everything else changes as well. And then you can see the values on the LED screen, and then you can change the mode by just pressing on this one. So from the Kelvin value, I can go to RGB and then just kind of change this style so that I go to different color. Obviously you can get all the spectrum with the RGB, and they're just talking to each other via wirelessly. And you can also download the app so that you can control from your phone, but I'm more into just being able to control all of this with a single mode dial that's available on this one. But obviously you can set it up so that they all work individually, so maybe green here, blue there, red there. You can set up however you want to. If I change to regular Kelvin value, obviously this is how I would shoot, and I can just kind of bring down the brightness so that it is not going to be as bright to you. Here is a panel, and you can use this to aim your shot, which is perfect. And you can kind of set up a product shot. Here I have a blue car in this example, but you can set it up that way, and it's proven to be quite useful whenever I'm doing high frame rate videos because you don't have a flickering with this kind of setup. So hopefully this unboxing and showcase of the light set from GVM was useful for you. I'll leave the product links in the description for you guys to go ahead and purchase if you're also interested in this kind of product. Whilst those are affiliated links, it doesn't cost you anything extra. It just helps to support the channel, and I would appreciate if you would use those links. And GVM, thank you for sending me these products to kind of test it out and also showcase. I'm definitely going to enjoy this light to do better lighting in my scenes. And if you have enjoyed this content, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.